Hey guys, Eric, Muscle Cars with Eric coming at you. Don't go away. You have an opportunity to check out his 1970 Buick GS Stage 1 convertible. This is a very, very rare car. This car was spotted at Mecum Auction in Glendale, Arizona this past March, and it is one of only two Aqua Mist convertibles currently documented with factory Stage 1 package. One of 26 big block convertibles produced in Aqua Mist poly. One of only 29 big block convertibles produced with forced Comfort-Flo ventilation system. Gardner exhaust system. Brass hat factory executive demonstrator. No expense spared rotisserie restoration completed in 2021, which included many NOS parts. Displayed in a class of 1970 Buick Stage 1 display at the invitation-only Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals in Rosamond, Illinois, November 2021. Originally sold at Smiley Buick. Desirable Aqua Mist poly paint with pearl white bucket seats and power-operated white top. Bucket seats with full-length center console. Power steering and brakes. Tilt steering wheel. Sonomatic radio. Chrome-plated wheels. Wide oval. F7014 tires. Tinted windshield, remote control mirror, carpet savers, and handy mats. Convenient sliding group and instrument gauges, documented with Sloan Museum VIN report. Build sheet, protective plate, title history back to 1976. The answer to "wouldn't you really rather have a Buick," as the slogan once said, was yes. At least that was the case in 1970 if you wanted both upscale luxury and hot performance. The car here was built for somebody right at the top, a brass hat factory executive demonstrator assembled with added care from its start. When the model year had completed, it was also one of only two Aqua Mist convertibles currently documented with a factory 455 Stage 1 power package, as well as one of just 26 big block convertibles produced in Aqua Mist poly, and one of a mere 29 big block convertibles produced with a forced Comfort-Flo ventilation system. Originally sold at Smiley Buick in Massachusetts and recently shown within a 1970 Buick Stage 1 display at the invitation-only Muscle Car and Corvette National Show in November 2021, this wonderful car has benefited from a no-expense spared rotisserie restoration. Hey guys, Eric, Muscle Cars with Eric coming at you, and I want to thank you personally for watching the last video. I hand-selected a couple videos for you to watch right here. Stick around.